In this video, we listed the 5 best portable solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Goal Zero Boulder 200. The Goal Zero Boulder 200 briefcase is a high-capacity, foldable solar panel designed for rugged durability, featuring a tempered glass and aluminum frame construction with added corner protection to withstand regular use. Measuring 40-inch LX 26.75, WX 3.5, H and weighing 21 kilograms, it consists of two 100-watt flexible solar panels connected by a hinge that enhances performance, making it ideal for powering essentials while living the van life or during remote work. This solar panel harnesses clean, quiet energy with zero emissions, ensuring minimal environmental impact, and can be integrated with Goal Zero portable power stations for optimal efficiency. Its design includes built-in legs for stability and stake-down loops for security during use, promoting ease of transport. Committed to sustainability, Goal Zero offsets 100% of carbon emissions from shipping and utilizes 100% renewable energy at their facilities, aligning with their mission for a bright and connected future. Number 2. Anker 531 Solar Panel. The Anker 200W solar panel is a high-efficiency charging solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, featuring advanced monocrystalline silicon cells that offer up to 23% conversion efficiency for charging devices 1.5 times faster. Its generous dimensions of 83.85 inch in length and 23.7 in width allow for an optimal surface area to capture sunlight, while the panel's adjustable angles, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, or 80 degrees, ensure maximum sunlight absorption regardless of the season or time of day. Built with an IP67 waterproof rating, it provides reliable performance even in rainy conditions, and its robust construction, including a durable ETFE coating, protects against scratches and splashes. The stable MC4 connection enhances conductivity with minimal energy loss, ensuring efficient energy transfer. Included in the package are the solar panel itself, a pair of 9.8 feet MC4 solar charging cables, a 1.6 feet MC4 to XT60 solar charging cable, and a safety manual, making it a versatile and reliable choice for solar energy needs in various environments. Number 3. BioLite SolarPanel 100. The BioLite SolarPanel 100 is a high-efficiency solar charger made from polycrystalline silicon, designed to harness solar energy effectively for charging devices. With dimensions of 14.57-inch LX 1.57, WX 20.08, H and weighing only 9.5 grams, it is compact and portable. The panel not only allows for direct device charging via USB-A and USB-C PD ports but can also be paired with the BioLite Base Charge series for a self-sufficient solar generator experience, with the capability to daisy chain up to 4 panels for a total of 400 W. Equipped with BioLite's patented optimal sun system, it includes an analog sundial for precise sunlight alignment and adjustable kickstands for optimal positioning. The kit comes with the SolarPanel 100 and an instruction manual, featuring a rear pouch for cable storage and a design that withstands rain and moisture, ensuring durability and consistent performance. Number 4. ECOFLOW 220W. The ECOFLOW 220W bifacial portable solar panel is a high-efficiency solar solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and eco-conscious users, featuring advanced N-type solar technology that achieves a remarkable 25% conversion efficiency. Constructed with durable materials, including ethylene tetrafluoroethylene and tempered glass, this solar panel is robust and weather-resistant, boasting an IP68 rating that protects against water and dust. Its innovative dual-sided design allows for up to 28% more energy collection, making it ideal for camping and various outdoor activities. The panel comes with an adjustable angle bracket for optimal sunlight exposure and is lightweight at just 15.4 pounds, ensuring easy portability. When paired with an ECOFLOW power station, it is engineered for rapid green charging, and the package includes essential accessories for immediate setup and use, making it a reliable choice for energy generation in diverse environments. Number 5. Anker Solix PS30. The Anker PS30 portable solar panel is a versatile and efficient charging solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Measuring 35.6 inches in length, 10.7 inches in width, and 0.7 inches in height, this lightweight panel weighs only 2.2 pounds, making it easy to carry and store thanks to its foldable design. It features both USB-A and USB-C ports, allowing users to charge a variety of devices including smartphones, tablets, and cameras while on the go. With a high efficiency rating and a robust IP65 weather-resistant protection, this solar panel is built to withstand rain and shine, ensuring reliable power for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The package includes the 30W solar panel, 2 carabiners, a user manual, and an 18-month warranty, coupled with Anker's friendly customer service to enhance user experience.